Hi everyone, I am Shubham Jhavar. I am a master teacher at Vedantu. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2020, Paper 1, Mathematics, and the question for this video is this. Let M be a 3 cross 3 invertible matrix with real entries and let I denote the 3 cross 3 identity matrix. If M inverse is equal to adjoint of M, then which of the following statement is always true? Now this question is based on the properties of adjoint majorly. Yeah. As we see options, the first thing that we may want to do is find this determinant value, and the relation that we will be using, of course, is M inverse is equal to adjoint of M. Now M inverse is equal to adjoint of M, and I'll take determinant on both sides. Determinant of M inverse we know is 1 by determinant of M, and determinant of adjoint of M is determinant of M to the power n minus 1 whole square. Determinant of adjoint of M is determinant of M to the power n minus 1. Determinant of adjoint of M is determinant of M to the power n minus 1 whole square, where n is order of matrix M, which is 3. So basically it becomes determinant of M to the power 4. Now as you cross multiply, it becomes determinant of M to the power 5 is equal to 1, which essentially means determinant of M is 1. So this means my option B is correct. Now let's explore the other options. Here we also need to comment whether M is I or M square is I, or maybe both are not true. So let's explore this. So again I will start with the same thing. M inverse is equal to adjoint of M. Now what is adjoint of M? It is determinant of M to the power order of matrix M, which we know is 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 becomes 1 only. Yeah. So determinant of M to the power 1 times matrix M. Now just now we have found out that determinant of M is 1. So essentially it becomes M inverse is equal to M. Now I'll multiply both sides by M, and M inverse, which essentially is identity matrix, will become equal to M times M, which is M square. So that essentially means my C option is correct too. And now let's explore the D option. Coming to the D option, I have adjoint of M whole square. Now adjoint of M whole square is same as adjoint of M square. And just now we have found out M square is identity matrix. So that essentially means adjoint of I, which essentially is identity matrix only. So that means D is also correct. So that essentially means for this question my answers are B, C and D. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the next question.